berdaya buat kini asli ke by-election jong ke negara Jabala buat jong kemarin kenang Naliang jong election commission kila penlong goi ke meeting berbarak state government di badan di vacancies kebentuk lang ya ke state jungiru di election commission kila di kuat jumut state government ba kalong bumno ke negara health status ke negara health status jong state kemudian happening jong negara COVID-19 the positivity rate ke dekat no, ke vaccination rate ke dekat no. Kita asyik kita ki information kepada anak health department dan state. Ya, for bagi dan tolong ya meeting de ki oriented ba ke vaccination status kadang duna ya 24%, less than 60%. Kadang juga for kini ka positivity rate tentang apa is hasil tu kadang long high ni. Jadi for bagi dan ya for kadang input information ke health department hilap positivity rate tu kadang jam 10%. Sementara let's say kalau hari tu untuk di supaya Jabala Lake ko for kadang ke flood tu dan ke flood ke apalagi di police station kita under submerged underwater di state government ke air tu ke input election commission kila pun sangat extra ya by election undai tang hapo megla ya undai haki laifu wait league assembly constituency but art league parliamentary constituency haki 13 states undai tang hapo megla ya bagi kirang pun sangat extra ya by election undai haki ni ki khalai ki state tu bagi dan gini ki issue ga health situation ga covid era election commission ko ang ba haki benai banwan kan sedang biang we meeting but state government but kan panggil information on the health status because bukan sana dari vaccination health status in layo updated figures ketika gayang jong election commission kan sarai panggil jong election yang beri pada ngomong pelang berde meriyo kubur na po assembly kalau adon ga jingklan no jing MLA layo atau city na po assembly secretariat bagila the forward election commission man penting diki bagdan ga vacancy hapo mo pelang kita gede ki belum di steps dengan asim ni update emlong ngaliang jong election kan saya long dapat meeting dia ya state government ban yo ya latest position hamtam kalau health status vaccination but kani ka positivity rate te hadin bagala yo ya kita information de election commission kan sarang umne tang bagan penong meeting tang state ni bak state tu tiba dan gini mungkin election mungkin semua akan by election namla banai fi ga exact figure minta because kidan ki security expense kidan ki minta kidan ki covid-19 protocol ro punya effect namla banai fi specific figure ni mau da commission because umli tamangi badan kini by election quick state ro makhati state malai quickly ki constituency tempat announce by election so umli tang exclusively tang ka meglaya they give them life overly 31 assembly seats and 2 parliamentary constituencies election commission garang kencang extra concern not only for Meghalaya but for other vacancies too